Hello students, we are here for the practical of physical chemistry. You have already performed number of practicals of physical chemistry in the laboratory, but now due to the online teaching, all the practicals are conducted through online way. In online way of practical, as I am a teacher, I am performing the practical in the laboratory and sharing the readings of that practical to you. Then you have to write this reading in your notebook and you have to write the practicals in your जर्नल. फिजिकल केमिस्ट्रीचं एक प्रॅक्टिकल आहे, ते तुम्हाला मी आज कंडक्ट करून शो करणार आहे की कसं परफॉर्म करायचं प्रॅक्टिकल किंवा त्याचे रिडिंग्स काय असतील किंवा कसे रिडिंग येतात ते मी तुम्हाला शो करेन. सो आजचं आपलं प्रॅक्टिकल आहे, प्रॅक्टिकल ऑन पोटॅशियोमीटर. सो पोटॅशियोमीटर आहे, पोटॅशियोमीटरवरती प्रॅक्टिकल करायचं आहे. द एम ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट इज टू डिटरमाइन stability constant of silver ammonia complex by using potentiometric method. What we have to do is we have to determine the stability constant of silver ammonia complex. Okay, so firstly we have to make a silver ammonia complex and then take EMF of the silver ammonia complex. So theory of this practical involve stability constant, instability constant, then electrochemical cell. Here is the one electrochemical cell which we have to arrange on the potentiometer. Now we will move towards the procedure of this practical. So first point that we have to do is standardization of a potentiometer. Simply, in the standardization for the digital electronic potentiometer, the standardization should be done as per the procedure given in the instruction manual provided by the manufacturer. Here is an experimental setup. Experimental setup means this is the setup for performing the experiment. Okay, in this setup, in the first beaker here is an 0.01 normal HNO3 solution, and in the second beaker there is a silver ammonia complex solution. In this both solution, this salt bridge is tipped. Then this silver nitrate solution is connected to the potentiometer. Then this silver ammonia complex solution involves silver electrode, which is again connected to the potentiometer to the negative end. Then next what we have to do is to prepare the solutions, to prepare 4 solutions of silver ammonia complex by taking following volume of 0.01 normal silver nitrate and 1 normal ammonia solution in a 100 ml volumetric flask. Then dilute the solution up to the mark. Okay, here we have to do a series of solution. Here we have to do 4 solutions. In this 4 solution, the first solution is involve ml of 0.01 normal HNO3, then ml of 1 normal NH3 and final volume. In the first solution we have to take a 10 ml of 0.01 normal silver nitrate, again 10 ml of ammonia, 1 normal ammonia is added to it, and then the final volume is 100 ml. We have to dilute this to the 100 ml by using conductivity water. All the experiment of potentiometer is conducted by using the conductivity water. Okay, now I will show you the solution preparations. While going to perform any experiment, the first step that we have to do is solution preparation. So first solution that I have already written the calculations of solution preparation. So the first is 1 normal ammonia. 1 normal ammonia, already ammonia is a liquid solution which is already given to you. Then take 7 ml of ammonia from that solution and dilute to the 100 ml by using conductivity water. Which water you are using? You have to use its conductivity water. Then second one is a 0.01 normal silver nitrate. 0.01 normal साठी काय करायचे? N1V1 already silver nitrate 0.1 normal is given. Okay, from that solution you have to prepare 0.01 normal silver nitrate solution. So I have calculated the value. I got 10 ml. The 10 ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution is diluted to the 100 ml. Okay, by using conductivity water. And the third solution that we required for this experiment, there is 0.001 normal silver nitrate. So N1V1 equal to N2V2. N1 means 0.1. Already given solution is 0.1 normal. Then V1 volume which we are going to find out. Then N2. We have to find out this normal solution. So 0.001 and into 100, so equal to 0.001 into 100 divided by 0.1, and finally I got the value, that is the 1 ml. So we have to take 1 ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate and dilute to the 100 ml by adding conductivity water. So these three stock solutions which we have to prepare first, and then we have to go for the series of solution. So after that, make this series of solution first, second, third and fourth. In the first, second, third and fourth, the volume of AgNO3 is constant, but this volume of ammonia is increased by 10 ml. Okay, 10, 20, 30 and 40, and final volume is 100. Okay, so after that, prepare concentration cell with the help of solution first as given below. Okay, this we have to make experimental setup, or we have to prepare a concentration cell. Then connect the concentration cell to the potentiometer and find EMF of the cell. EMF stands for electromotive force of the cell. Then repeat same procedure for the solution 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so after that, observation table. In the observations table, here is the solution numbers, then EMF or volt. EMF or volt means the value which we got on the potentiometer, that you have to written here. Then C2 concentration, then silver ammonia complex concentration which is already given, then ammonia's concentration which is also given, and K is means stability constant that we are going to find out. So here is the calculation. In the calculation, we have to find out first C2. Okay, by using this C2 we will find out this stability constant. So the formula for finding out C2 means concentration of free silver ion in the complex. Okay, so here is the formula for the calculation of C2 means concentration of silver ion, then determination of concentration of silver ion in the complex. So by using Nernst equation, for that purpose what we have to use is Nernst equation. So Nernst equation is written here, that is E cell equal to RT upon NF into ln C1 by C2. This equation is again rearranged, that is 0.0591 divided by n into log to the base 10, that is C1 by C2. Again this equation is rearranged. I have rearranged this equation by 3 steps. This is first, second and third step. I have rearranged this equation to make your calculations easier. So finally, for finding out concentration of silver, you have to use this last equation. तुम्हाला इथे काय करायचं आहे, हे जे लास्ट इक्वेशन आहे, हे लास्ट इक्वेशन तुम्हाला यूज करून तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे सिल्वर आयनचं. ओके, सो हे असेल तुमचं फर्स्ट कॅल्क्युलेशन. बाय युजिंग दिस वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ सिल्वर आयन, आणि जे काय व्हॅल्यू येतील ते तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये पुट करायच्यात. याच्यामध्ये ह्या C2चा हा जो कॉलम आहे याच्यामध्ये पुट करायच्यात, आणि त्या व्हॅल्यू यूज करून आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं, स्टॅबिलिटी कॉन्स्टंट फाइंड आउट करायचं, दॅट इज K अँड K ऑफ, आता इथं सिल्वर अमोनिया कॉम्प्लेक्स जे आहे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ते ऑलरेडी गिवन आहे, तर तुम्ही इथं ह्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये वरती पुट करणार डिवायडेड बाय सिल्वर आयन. आता सिल्वर आयनचे इथं फाइंड आउट केले, ते आपल्याला अगेन या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये इथं पुट करायचे, आणि NH3 स्क्वेअर, NH3चं ऑलरेडी गिवन आहे ते पुट करायचं याच्यामध्ये, आणि याच्यावर आपल्याला K स्टॅबिलिटी और स्टॅबिलिटी कॉन्स्टंटची व्हॅल्यू भेटेल. अँड ॲट द एंड यू हॅव टू take a mean of all the stability constant, and which is the stability constant of silver ammonia complex. Now next, instability constant, simply by taking the inverse of the stability constant you have to calculate an instability constant. Okay, after that I will show you how to perform the experiment.
Normal ammonia solution, this is 0.01 normal AgNO3 solution, and from these two solutions we have to prepare the 4 solutions. We have to prepare the series of the 4 solutions. Then in the first number volumetric flask we have to take the 10 ml of the 0.01 normal AgNO3 solution and 10 ml of the 1 normal ammonia solution, and again we have to dilute it up to the 100 ml with the help of the conductivity water. Then in the second number volumetric flask we have to take the 10 ml of the 0.01 normal silver nitrate solution and 20 ml of the 1 normal ammonia solution, and then we have to dilute it up to the 100 ml with the help of the conductivity water. In the third number of the volumetric flask, we have to take the 10 ml of the 0.01 normal silver nitrate solution and 30 ml of the 1 normal ammonia solution. Then we have to dilute it up to the 100 ml with the help of the conductivity water. And in the fourth number of the volumetric flask, we have to take the 10 ml of the 0.01 normal silver nitrate solution and 40 ml of the 1 normal ammonia. Then we have to dilute it up to the 100 ml with the help of the conductivity water. On the instrument, and we have to switch on the main switch, and we have to standardize the cell by keeping on the standard cell on, and we have to set the display 1.018. Then we have to off the standard cell. These are the two electrodes, silver electrode. There are two ends, positive end and the negative end. Then we have to prepare the two solutions. As I told earlier, we have prepared the 0.001 normal silver nitrate solution and mixture of silver ammonia complex. This is the solution number 1. As I told earlier, we have prepared these two solutions, and then we have to dip the electrodes, silver electrode, positive end silver electrode into the 0.001 normal silver nitrate solution and silver ammonia complex. We have, and in another silver electrode we have to dip in the silver ammonia complex solution. Then we have to again connect the salt bridge, and reading is displayed on the chart. Then we have to write down the EMF 0.237, and from that we have to calculate the concentration of the silver ion, and from that we can calculate the stability constant. And we have to take the again second reading. Then we have to again replace this solution for silver ammonia solution. We have to take the second solution. Then again we have taken the second solution. In the first beaker we have kept the 0.001 normal silver nitrate solution, and in the second beaker we have taken the 10 ml of the 0.01 normal silver nitrate and 20 ml of the 1 normal ammonia. As I told earlier, we have prepared the second number solution, and we have to connect the silver electrodes and the salt bridge, and we have to record the EMF. This is the second EMF, and we have to note down the EMF. And from that we have to calculate the concentration of the silver ions. In the same manner we have to take the third solution. Then again we have to remove this electrode and the salt bridge, and we have to connect, or we have to take the third solution, and we have to dip the silver electrode and the salt bridge, and we have to again note down the EMF 0.280. We have to dip the electrodes and the salt bridge in the solutions, and we have to record the EMF, and we have to record the EMF 0.301, and we have to calculate the concentration of the silver ion.
Okay, after performing all the experiment, we got 4 readings or 4 electromotive force, or that are 0.237, then 0.268, 0.280 and 0.301. Okay, now what you have to do is you can calculate the concentrations of these all values. You have to calculate the stability constant for all these values. Take a mean of stability constant and write it in your result table, and finally also find out the instability constant. Okay, so your overall experiment is completed now.